Okay, so in order to add a new page, all you gotta do is go to Pages here and add new. And let's say we're gonna call this featured candidates, right? Featured candidates. And just go ahead. There's nothing on it right now, but we'll just go ahead and click Publish. Then we can come back to it and add the content. Oh, I misspelled featured. Okay, and then let's say, if you want to add content, you just have to click on that backend editor. And here you can add element, so we'll just add a row right now, and you click on this little box, and we'll add a text block just to get this started. And there's already some fake text in there. We'll just go ahead and drop that in there, okay? So we'll update that to save it. Update means save, pretty much.
Okay.
Or publish. Sometimes it says publish when it's new. So then we have this page here, and how do we put it in the menu? Okay, so you go to Appearance, and there's a little thing called Menus here. So you click on that, and that's where your navigation is. You see it says Home, About Us, Candidates.
Oh, yeah.
And then you see how Resume is to the right under Career Opportunities. It means it's a drop down of that.
Subpage.
Yeah. So on the left, here's all your pages. If they don't show up all, you can just hit View All to make sure. Most recent is Featured Candidates. That's the page I just created. So you would check that and click Add to Menu. And that puts it in the menu, but now it's at the bottom, so all you got to do is put it, you wanted to put it under which page?
Candidates.
Under Candidates. So all you do is just drag and drop it. Make sure it's to the right a little bit here.
Okay.
Because if it's to the left, it's just going to go on the main navigation.
And
Okay.
if you do that, it's going to
Yeah, I wanted to see like the way you had the career up with the resume portfolio. It's nice because you can see it. You don't have to click on it; it just appears right away.
Yeah, and because there's no more room in the main navigation, so
No, it's perfect.
in the first level, so you got to put everything on the second level at this point.
Okay.
So you can do that. You can also add more pages under it. So let's say you added, let me just put any page here just for the hell of it. You can just drag another page right under it.
Wow.
You can even do a sub of the sub. Like that. So, and if you want to remove a page, all you do is click here on this little thing here and click remove. That doesn't delete the page, it just removes it from the menu.
Okay.
Alright, so once you're done with that, very important, you got to click Save Menu. And that saves it, so when you go back to the front again, you'll see it right under, what was it? Under Candidates. Here it is.
Yeah. Oh, lovely. Okay.
So right now, we didn't put much content on that.
That's fine. It's already set up now that I can go in and really start working on it.
So now you wanted to, on this, you wanted people to apply to be a featured candidate? Is that,
I think so.
that was on your list. So I can show you how to create a form.
Yes, how do candidates sign up for featured candidate site? Yes.
Okay, so I'll just show you, there's something called forms here on the left.
Okay.
And it's really simple. You just create a new form. That's where all your forms exist, like your contact form and everything's in there. So let's call this form featured candidate. Yeah, okay, I'll go back to it.
Okay.
Application. Let's say.
Oh, perfect. Application.
You
Okay.
can always come back and change the title if you want.
Okay.
So you can put a description if you like, but you don't have to.
Okay.
Create form. All right. So then the form is started, but this is the area where you can. It looks crazy, but once you add the first thing, the fields are on the right here. Sorry. Let's say you want to add first name, last name is typically it, and that's in advanced fields here. So you just click name, and the first field appears.
Okay.
Okay, so then you want to click like email probably, and adds an email field. Okay, you can always change the title of some of these things. There's a lot of editable qualities. And then let's
Okay,
say.
Could you hold 1 second, Liz? Hold on.
Sitting at your notes, the last design you did. Positions will be a major design.
Sorry about that. Sorry.
It's okay. All right, so so those are the fields there, and you can add more because there's a bunch of stuff. If you look to the right, you can put phone.
What's a CAPTCHA?
CAPTCHA is I'll show you. It's this thing where you have to enter a funky little code.
Okay.
You know what you?
So irrelevant to me.
It's sort of for security or spammers. It's not irrelevant, but you can have them enter. You know, you have to type a number sometimes.
Oh, yes. Okay, yeah, okay, got it.
So
Where it says, to make sure you're not a computer, please enter a
exactly. So I can enter a CAPTCHA, so you can use it.
It's great to have them on forms, Emily, so that you don't get a bunch of spam.
Yeah.
Which I was getting quite a bit at
The
one
CAPTCHA.
point.
When you're done with the form, always add the CAPTCHA at the bottom so that you know it's not in a
Okay.
robot sending you, stuff you don't need.
Excellent.
I'll set it up so that you can add it. Right now it's not completely set up. I just have to do a couple of things. So.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
Okay. So
All right,
fund that.
so let's say you're done with this form. You can also drag the fields around like this. If you want to change the order, it's real easy to do.
Okay.
And then it says pricing fields, but it doesn't. You can't really charge from here. I don't think.
Yeah, you can.
I don't see a thing here. Option, product. I can add a product, but I don't see. I'll have to look into how the pricing works.
Okay. And you'll set up the PayPal so that
Yeah, I'll have to look.
I can add PayPal feature to whatever page I want, right?
Yeah, it's in the form, so I'll take a quick look at that and send you some information.
Okay.
All right, so once you're done, you're creating your form here. You just click Update Form, or whatever the blue button
Save.
says, and
Okay.
it's saved. Okay, so let's say you want to put this form on your page now. You go to your page. We'll just go right to it here. Featured candidates, and we'll click on Edit Page up here. And here's your text box, so we'll just click on this little yellow pencil. Actually, no, it's not that. Sorry. It's click on this one of these little X boxes here, and you just find there's something called Gravity. Here it is, Gravity Form, and that lets you select which form, and it's Featured Candidate Application is the one you want.
Okay.
And you can display the title or description if you like, or just go ahead and do the title and hit save, right? Then you click update. And then when you go to preview, you'll see the form here. So it's got name, phone, email, and then it submits and it goes to your email, your submissions. So if you ever wanted to change the form, you just got to go back to the form area and edit the form itself. You know, you just go here to forms.
Okay. Now this is all you're recording this, so you're gonna send it to me because there's no way I'm gonna remember.
Yeah, I'm recording it.
Okay.
So here are all your forms.
Very easy to you.
No, I know. So all right, so that
takes a little practice.
yeah, definitely. So yeah, you just got to get in there and get familiar with this. You know, that's the best
You
way.
did tell me that last time. You said, get in there and start learning it.
Yeah, don't be afraid. Just start looking around in there. You know, that's the only way.
I just get nervous.
Yeah, just explore it. You know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now
let me ask you this: the little pop-up, which I love, and you've made all those additions. I can add more onto there, right?
Yes, and I'll show you here. So when you go to actually, not here. But if you go to the dashboard and you go to, it's called Visita Contact.
Yes.
Okay, so you click on that, any one of them. You can, here where it says scheduling options, I think that you can do it there. This takes you to the main site because this works with an external website, okay? It's a service, so you can make a lot of things here. And as you can see, I added all of them here. And right here, you can just click Add Service, and you can add a new service, change the phone number. There's all these options here, okay? There's
And then if somebody contacts me, it goes directly to my own email address, right?
yes.
Does it correspond back and forth via my own email, or does it correspond? Because I actually had someone contact me via this. Yeah, I mean, like the next day.
Here, okay, you see here where it says
I'm gonna send them.
contact request will be sent to this email?
Okay. There's
There it is, info@RI-Recruit, okay? If you want to change that, just click Profile Settings. And then you can change whatever you like there.
Okay, and then my response to them would be through my email, right?
Yes.
No, what happens, Emily, is you receive an email from Civita letting you know that someone's contacted you. When you click on that, it takes you back to their dashboard.
Okay.
And then that's where you get the candidate's information if they entered it on the form.
Okay.
But if I'm gonna schedule an appointment now just so you can see how it works, because this will remotely schedule meetings for you on your calendar, which is pretty neat. But ultimately, you have to go back to Civita's dashboard to really view and modify or get information.
Okay, so someone did contact me, and what I did was just send them a note via Vita, but I don't think it went through, because I wasn't sure how to do it. So.
Well, then you go back, remember, you always want to come back to their dashboard, and as you can see, there's an inbox there, Gretel. Can you click on that? That's probably the note that you're talking about.
Is this my guy, or is this your test?
No, this is your dashboard, so,
Jack Cruz.
Okay.
yeah, that's,
Yeah, there's someone called
So I
Jack.
have to contact him
so click on that.
via his email.
Let's see. So I'm going to click on his inbox thing, and it has an email here, Jack Cruz 32. And he's asking, do you work exclusively in finance, or do you also play sales? Do you see that?
Right, and then I responded.
And then you
There's your
responded
message.
here. I see that. Okay. And then when he responds again, you should get an email notification
Exactly.
as well,
Yeah.
with a link so you could come here.
Okay, you know what? I'll grab an email address. Okay, got it.
There's some videos on this, we'll send it to you also.
Yeah, you can always send yourself a message if you want to really go walk through it, and
Okay.
then go to Visita and see how it works. But you'll get a notification with a link. It's pretty user friendly.